The heavy downpour failed to dampen the return of political debate today at the historic Plaza Miranda.
At the same spot where election rallies are usually held, 6 potential presidential contenders in the 2010 elections faced the public in a forum organized by 2 election watchdog groups. Connie Sison on cue.
In a rare opportunity, ordinary citizens came face-to-face with possible 2010 presidential aspirants in a forum organized by the National Movement for Free Elections, or NAMFREL, and the Parish Pastoral Council for Responsible Voting, or PPCRV. A total of 6 contenders came: Senators Mar Rojas, Lauren Lagarda, Richard Gordon, and Francis Escudero, as well as Pampanga Governor Ed Pandillo and former President Joseph Estrada. The PPCRV also invited representatives from different sectors. Virgie was one of the hundreds who came despite the heavy rain. She bravely came up the stage in her wheelchair to air the plight of the differently abled.
Kahit kami ay may kapansanan, hindi kami naiiba sa ibang tao. Pareho kaming nangangailangan ng pagkain, tahanan, seguridad. Pareho kaming nagnanais ng galang, dignidad at pantay na oportunidad.
Each presidential contender gave his or her stand on the issue.
May teknolohiya po na maaaring gamitin para hindi na sila kailangan na pumunta pa po sa presinto. Sa pamamagitan nitong mga teknolohiya na ito, maaari na mag-reach out sa ating mga kababayang may kapansanan.
Kailangan natin dyan ang political will to enforce all these laws.
May kapansanan man sa pampisikal na kanyuan, ang mas pandirihan natin. Yung may mga kapansanan sa isip, may kapansanan sa puso, walang pagmamahal at walang pagkalingang binibigay, lalong-lalo na mga nakaupo sa pwesto ng kapangyarihan.
Even though OFW's like Romel is 100 kilometers away, he was still able to participate in the forum via live streaming as provided by GMA News. Romel eagerly phoned in his question.
Meron hong Romel na nanggagaling ka sa Saudi Arabia? Nako, meron hong Romel na nanggagaling sa Saudi Arabia sa telepono. At paano mo ho na kaming nakita? Nag-i-internet ho siya saan ho? Internet, GMA, nag-internet kayo ng... okay, so nakita ho niya tayo sa internet. Gusto niya ho makilahok?
Ating ilalaan o itatakdang tao na manunungkulan sa mga embassies o sa mga government units natin sa ibaing dagat na kung mayroong overseas Filipino workers, dapat po yung matitinong tao, hindi po yung mga Pilipino na mahina at tiwali.
Kailangan po dito po sa ating bansa makikita ang kinabukasan, kaya hanapin po natin ang kinabukasan dito sa pamumuti ng mahusay na pamahalaan na makakaakit ng mga investor sa ating bayan.
The PPCRV organizers also threw some personal questions to the panelists.
May pag-asa pa bang magkaroon ng first gentleman?
Unang-una po ay siguro po advantage nga na walang first gentleman. Ang mahalaga po ang kakayanan ng tao.
COMELEC officials find forums such as this effective in educating voters. All the presidential hopefuls present agreed to sign a covenant for a clean and honest elections. The forum was held at the historic Plaza Miranda, the site of the August 21, 1971 Liberal Party Proclamation Rally. The bombing of the rally almost 38 years ago instantly killed 8 bystanders and wounded then Senator Jovito Salonga, Party President Gerardo Rojas, and the party standard bearer Senator Sergio Osmeña Jr. Shortly after, Marcos suspended the privilege of the wreath of habeas corpus. Plaza Miranda is now considered Freedom Park, where groups are free to rally even without a permit. Connie Sison reporting on cue.